Hello, friends. On 10th May, Kerala Football Association and their partner, Sportsline, launched six franchises which will be part of Super League Kerala, and the cities where these six franchises will be based are Kannur, Malappuram, Kozhikode, Ernakulam, Thrissur, and the capital of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. In a glittering ceremony on 10th May in Kochi, the Kerala Football Association, its new leadership under the presidency of Mr. Nawaz Maran, demonstrated the intent to make this new league, that is Super League Kerala, a grand success. The Kerala Football Association has engaged an experienced pro, Charu Sharma, through its partner company Sportsline, to make every aspect of the league in such a way that it becomes not only sustainable for the investors and take Kerala football to the national level. I was honored to be there, and thanks to the Kerala Football Association leadership for the invitation to be there, experiencing the launch of the franchises and the commitment displayed by the franchisee owners does indicate that this venture of Kerala Football Association is going to be a great success. I wish the leadership of Kerala Football Association all the success, and I'm sure all the owners who are part of these franchises, six of them, will create an atmosphere for the next level of football development in Kerala. Kerala Blasters' success has definitely played a key role for launching the Super League Kerala, and these six franchises does have owners who are committed to take football forward with their investment and continues to work at the grassroots level to bring about talents through this league and can become, as stated by the president of Kerala Football Association, Mr. Nawaz Maran, that Kerala can be, as in other field, biggest exporters of football players in Asia, because already one of the Keralite is playing in the Qatar League, and there are other youths also being trained in Saudi, UAE, and other Middle East countries. And the leadership of Kerala Football Association and Sportsline has engaged an experienced pro, Mr. Charu Sharma, as mentor guide to shape this league, because he is one of the brains behind the success of Kabaddi League, which is a great success, and compliment to the leadership of Kerala Football Association that they already secured Star Sports as the broadcasting partner, and it will be live streamed on Hotstar. So that way, this achievement itself shows that there is a lot of groundwork has taken place, and now is the time to go all out in the market to get the right kind of partners and franchises to build the team. And what I understand is that the league will kick off in August and it will last for 3 months. And what, based on the experiences and the discussions I had being there on the launch day, I'm confident that there will be a lot of development around this league and the franchises, and there can be collaborations between other clubs, and good to see that there is already global collaborations and even global investors being part of the franchisee and the league. If the franchises are able to engage the community in a bigger way in next 3 to 5 years, and more youth can be part of the whole development pyramid, and there can be a clear pathway for players from grassroots to the elite, then this league can be a great scouting platform for the top leagues in India and also in some other part of Asia. In the first season, they're going to play in 3 stadiums, that's Malappuram, Kozhikode and Kochi, because right now there is limitation in terms of that kind of stadium availability, and I think there is a plan to build 2 stadiums in next 2 to 3 years, and that way some of the franchises will be playing in those new stadiums. One thing yesterday was very clear, that the way the Malappuram team demonstrated with their biggest continent there will be no doubt that they will make the biggest noise, they will show the biggest energy in the when the league starts. But I'm sure other teams will also work hard and show the same kind of energy on the match days, and there will be a festival atmosphere on every match day. My best wishes to all the stakeholders who are part of Super League Kerala, and I am confident that with the support of Government of Kerala and all other local stakeholders, this league will make a huge impact in the development of football in Kerala, and we will be able to see next I.M. Vijayan, next Jopal and Cherry, and C.C. Jacob or M.M. Jacob, and other stalwarts like talent coming through this league. And there were yesterday many internationals who were present, including I.M. Vijan, Baichung Bhutia, Joe Palancheri, M.M. Jacob, C.C. Jacob, and many more. So it was a great occasion to be there and to see that there is a togetherness, there is a lot of collaboration already one can experience, and I'm sure this league will be a great success. My best wishes to Kerala Football Association and its partner and all the franchises. I'm sure the league will rock and we can experience a magic after the launch of the league. All the best. Thank you.